How to refund Zelle payments in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to refund Zelle payments. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to refund Zelle payments, okay? So first I want to tell you to not panic or worry about this. As I told you, you just need to follow what I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to see that it's not something that deserve to worry about, okay? So just follow what I'm going to show you right now on this video. Okay, so now I am going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so now you need to use any browser you want and copy this link, okay? I'm gonna leave this link here on the video. Just copy this link and use it on any browser you want, okay? Just go to that link on any browser and this link is about custom support of Zelle, okay? You just need to go to it and there where you can contact a custom support and there you can talk to them or chat with them on chat and explain to them what happened, and after explaining to them what happened, they're gonna help you to fix your problem and they're gonna see if you're scammed, for example, and they're gonna ask you why you want to refund Zelle payments and some questions like this just to verify that you're scammed, for example, okay? And after making sure that you really need to refund your Zelle payments, they're gonna help you fix your problem and they're gonna refund your Zelle payment. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to refund Zelle payment, okay? So as I told you, just use this link. I will leave it again here. Just use it and copy this link and put it on any browser. As I told you, I will not tell you to use a specific browser. You can use it on any browser and then you can just chat with Zelle custom support and they're gonna see how they can help you and how they can fix your problem. That would be it and I will see you in the next video.